Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys. What it do? What it does? It's your boy Netgio, and we're about to get. Hi guys, and I'm joined here by my friend. Hope. Yeah. I'll put an IG in the description or whatever.
Yes,
Anyways,
please, guys, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. Yeah.
Instagram ladies. Anyways, today we're going to be doing the ghost pepper hot noodle spicy chicken challenge. And yeah, this is going to be an interesting one. So are we going to put a challenge like, can we drink water through the video, or should we only drink water after you finish? Or do you want to have a conversation while we burn to death?
Sure. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's how to do this.
It's a challenge.
It's a challenge. You can't be drinking water.
What?
When we're done. And the juice?
This juice, you can help yourself. The juice is.
It's just throughout.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no. Well, I mean, it's liquid to see if it will survive. Yeah, this thing looks hard.
I know it is hard. I can do.
This thing, I never looked at the pictures. Like.
Okay, so we'll drink the water when we're done with the challenge. Just throughout the challenge.
Yeah.
And then we can talk.
Okay. All right. So right now we're gonna boil the hot water, let it simmer for 4 minutes as it says, and then we'll be back.
Your tongue and see what silence do. Lately I've been partying with Jeffrey and the violence crew. It's ironic cause I've been searching for peace of mind too. It's young Charles X baby, but I'm never as soft, so I go extra hard, that's times 2. Sheesh, you don't know. Damn fire but the flow's so cold. I must be controlled. Somebody please get me to rap and kill a Willie G beat immediately. You can't stop me, I can't be living in fear when I know God got me. Don't freeze when I teach you dear, just take a pose and walk it. But you a model, you got it, I like the way you shout it and the way you talk it. Yeah, one thing about me, I'll make that joke about it. Is you gonna do something to stop it? Nah, I highly doubt it. One thing I keep it real about is that we're still protecting black women at all costs.
No. You're like. This one is even bigger. Look at that shit.
Wait, but what happens to him?
The water must. No, it did. Wow.
The motherfucking new nails.
And we're back, I guess.
Yeah.
I'll be missed us. Take your shit. Take your food.
Take your shit. Did you just say take your shit?
Black.
Yeah, guys, it's black. It's so weird. It's so scary already. Yeah.
Scary.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't like it. Have to finish it.
Yeah, the whole thing. Everything.
No.
Everything. Hope.
Yeah, guys.
Hope is being a.
Yeah.
I just.
Are you burning? Don't.
No, it's awkward. It's like Kapana spice on higher level.
Yeah. Guys, these things even look like snakes. Hi guys, and we're ready to die.
To die?
Yeah. This is not gonna be.
Come, wait, don't start, wait.
Yo, guys.
Come, cheers. This might be the last.
What?
You might die, like you said. Let's begin. I'm not going first. Ladies first.
Yeah, okay, fine. 1, 2,
I'm a gentleman like that.
3.
Yo, it's an interesting taste.
I just wanna finish. Sure. Ooh, ha. Hi. Ooh.
There's a lot going on here. Wait.
We can't drink juice.
Why am I whispering?
Why not?
The challenge is to finish it without drinking water. Drinking water is cheating. Okay, but if you can't handle it, I won't force you. Just try and get through it. Yo.
Woo!
You've been
I'm
messing
even
with myself.
crying. Chill.
You know that you will know a joke when you go get like curry. It's like I want the hot one. And then okay, you got it. And then it's like, yo, I realized why Indian people speak so fast. And it's like because the food is burning. And also like he was like, what is this?
I can't even hear you.
I know you can't even hear me. I'm trying to talk, but you're saying it's hot. Fuck. Okay, never mind. Okay. Go home. How far are you? Don't touch your face, please.
Okay, but
Don't touch your face.
I'm not touching my face. I'm just wiping my tears.
Yeah. Real nigga tears. It's what I told you. Real nigga tears. Real nigga tears. Please don't burn on your eyes, cause hey. This is really
My
crying.
eyes are burning.
Real nigga tears. Kenji, real nigga tears.
Jeffrey. Hey, why are my eyes burning?
Your eyes are like. Let me help you.
Yes, my eyes are burning. I feel like the spice is coming through my eyes.
Healing. This is another one.
Let's go. You're almost done, you. The food is done hot, isn't it?
Guys, hope is just, I don't know what's going on. Finish it, Shandy. Oh yeah, but yo, but that day I was drunk. So we went out actually. I don't know if you can even talk. So we went out 2 days ago.
I can't even talk.
And
just a bit.
Cafe. I think I'll put maybe. Yeah, whatever. But I was drunk. Yo, that night I was drunk. It was so fun. We should do that again.
Were you drunk?
I was
We're not tipsy.
in a good mood.
My eyes are burning, bro. This is coming through my eyes. I can feel it, guys. It's coming through my eyes. Ha.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Because I didn't touch my eyes. Okay,
I
let
know
me
you
close
didn't.
my eyes.
I know you didn't.
Okay, let me close my eyes.
Don't forget to say amen after. You would even pray, yo. It's like on your lips.
My lips are even burning. Are my lips red?
Your lips are like, they have the sauce. You guys hope he's suffering. I'm just chilling, guys. Anyways.
Guys, my eyes are legit burning. Okay, I need to close my eyes.
Do you want to wash your face? It's like it's hot. This is hot. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of hot stuff in front of you.
I can't open.
Please don't touch your eyes.
I'm
guys.
not touching my eyes. This is what I'm doing. Oh, Jeffrey, actually can't drink juice.
If you drink juice tonight, win.
No, it's fine. I'm not drinking.
What? You're not gonna let me win? Wow. Oh, a nice cocktail will go down now.
What's that cocktail you like so much?
Bullfrog. Not that thing you're drinking, just water.
I know. Oh, I know. No.
There's two different people in this world. You get me? You get hope. Your face is killing me.
Guys,
I'm sorry, I'm not even laughing at you. Just...
Guys, I feel like my whole body is burning.
Don't lie, like I feel like my pores are opening up, But I'm just burning here inside.
How do I have the sauce on me? I'm also almost done here. If you're done, then I can stop you.
Let me see. Oh!
I'm eating well now.
You're doing very well, actually.
Wow, why are you almost done?
Because real men cry inside. We bottle up our emotions and let them die. You're done?
I'm done.
Okay, so I am the winner.
I'm the winner.
She is the loser.
I'm the winner.
She's the loser, guys. Let me finish first.
Ah.
One actually won.
Guys, this is so bad. It's good, but it's bad. The spice is coming through my eyes.
Little nigga tears, guys.
My tears are even black.
Some melanin tears. It's actually called this melanin noodles or something.
I just finished 3 juice or water.
Oh yeah, I finished, guys.
Whatever.
Do you see who that is? Down in the background.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
Anyways, do you want juice or water?
I don't know. I don't know.
Water makes it burn more.
Yeah, let me get you.
You wanna drink?
I don't want to drink the whole juice.
I don't know if you can. Oh my god. Yo, are you really?
My lips are burning, guys. Like what? My ears are even burning, bruh.
Okay, now I'm feeling it. I better go finish yours, bro. Finish your thing. I gave. Okay, your eyes are red. Your ears
Are burning.
are burning.
My lips are burning.
My lips are fucking burning.
My throat hurts. I can't even speak properly.
What's 1 plus 1? Oh, my lips are burning, guys.
When does it stop?
Tomorrow. It's a 24-hour effect. I'm kidding. Oh my god, bro. Oh, bro. Guys.
Guys, my eyes are burning. My eyes red.
Your eyes are like, yeah, they are. You look like they just kicked in.
I feel like when you stop eating it, that's when it like
Yeah.
gets worse. So it wants you to eat. I can't even speak.
It's actually alive. I feel like it chooses the weakest link, and at this moment, it's you.
Oh my gosh.
Please think straight. Please do not touch your eyes. There's like sauce here. I can see sauce. Be careful, huh?
Where?
Here, all over. Careful. Guys, look at You're making it rain in pain. Woo! That's interesting, actually. I like it. It's not bad.
My eyes burning.
Do you know? Do you hear your question? Are your eye-
What is it?
Are my eyes burning? Okay. I think we need to wash your face. Because look at that. You're putting the sauce. Or is this
No.
makeup?
No.
Uh.
It's in my tears are changing. It's the sauce I think.
It is, and you're just cleaning your face with it, please.
I keep changing. Okay, I feel better now, guys. Yeah.
Are you sure? Just what? Can you just look at all this? Just from your hands, please. Analyze the thing.
Okay, let me clean my hands then.
Yeah, please do that.
I just need to wash. I can't walk. I can't walk. I can't talk.
I, at least.
Show them how far I got. You probably think I didn't even Look guys, can you see? Yeah, look. I was almost done. Oh, look at my eyes, bruh. Yo guys, look at me.
You didn't come looking like that. That's what
I
I said.
did not come looking like this.
Okay.